Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fat Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. Are you sweltering hot? Yeah, me too. Let's look at Winterglow. I know, I love when I'm funny. Okay, this is Winterglow by Ruby Star. I have been waiting for this line for months. Why? Why, you ask? Well, it's stunning. And I'm making Overture in the 70 by 70, the throw size. We have a kit available for this. It will look exactly like that. If you've been checking out our stories, you have seen that I am doing that project right now. We gave you all fat quarters instead of the 1 fat eighth on there, and you should make it with me. Okay, next, you saw the half yard bundle. Here's the line. Oh, it's Ombre Flurries. It's all metallic. There's some silver, there's some gold. What's not to love? Oh, it's so pretty. Anyways, this is by V&Co from Moda, and I'm taken with it. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but something needs to be done. I don't know. Do you got any ideas? Maybe you should share that in the comment. Oh, maybe that's the question for the winner next week. Oh, we don't have a show this week, but you should answer anyways, and you should tell me, what do you want to make with Ombre Flurries? Okay, that brings me to, we don't have a show this week. It is our week off, and it is Caleb's birthday weekend, sort of. His birthday's Monday, so you can give him a happy birthday in the comments as well. Your Stash Buster Block Challenge, Chapter 8, I think it's called Chrysanthemum. Post those. I posted mine. We will draw the winner and announce it next Friday on the Fresh and Fab. And I think that's all. Until next time, happy quilting. Bye.